Welcome to this channel. In this particular tutorial, we will simulate the LED regulator circuit using the Texas Instrument TINA circuit simulation tool. For more such videos, I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. Let us start the circuit design. For this particular design, we require a voltage source of 9 volts which is placed in the schematic editor. The resistor R1 of 10 ohm is placed in the schematic, and for this design we use the transistor 2N2907 transistor for this particular circuit simulation. So next we require some other set of components also. So for this particular circuit simulation we require 2N2907 transistor for this design. So we have placed the transistor accordingly as shown in this particular schematic editor. We also require a light emitting diode and also two transistors of R2 which is around 100 ohm and R3 which is also around 100 ohm. We need to also place a ground connection and place this particular ground connection on the schematic editor. Now connect the ground to the negative terminal of the voltage source and the positive end of the voltage source is connected to resistor R1. Place the resistor R3 of 100 ohm and make changes to the other resistor value also which is around 100 ohm. Now connect the resistor R1 to resistor R3 and from resistor R3 to base of transistor T1 and the emitter of transistor T2. Connect the emitter of transistor T1 to the resistor R1 and R3. The collector of the transistor 1 is connected to the base of transistor 2 and the base of transistor 2 is connected to R2 resistor, and from R2 it is connected to the ground. The transistor's collector is connected to the LED and then other terminal of LED to the ground. Now place the voltage pin across the LED and label this as Vout. Now we will save this particular circuit as a basic electronic circuit and click on analysis. So we need to perform the circuit analysis and we will select the DC analysis and calculate the nodal voltage. We can see the LED is turning on and the voltage of LED is approximately 1.5 volt for this particular circuit simulation. We can see or we can insert a text in this particular schematic, and name this as LED regulator. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this has helped your learning purpose. I request you to like, share and subscribe my channel below.